everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some kitchen decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Here are a few kitchen decoration ideas blending both functional and stylish elements. Rustic wooden shelves. Open wooden shelves are perfect for displaying decorative pieces like ceramic bowls, glass jars, or vintage kitchenware, adding warmth to your kitchen. Farmhouse sink. A deep front sink enhances both practicality and style. It plays well with rustic or country style kitchens. Vintage signet. Old school metal sinks or chalkboards can bring a vintage feel to your kitchen walls. Herb garden. Install small potted herbs on your windowsill or a shelf. It adds greenery and is useful for cooking. Copper accents. Copper pots, pans, and utensils provide a beautiful vintage touch when hung or displayed on countertops. Decorative canisters. Store dry goods like flour, sugar, or coffee in vintage glass jars or ceramic canisters. Statement lighting. Add a pendant lights or candle layer above the kitchen island to make a design statement. Baskets for storage. Wicker baskets can be both decorative and functional for storing produce or kitchen towels. Butcherblock countertops. This adds a natural rustic warmth and paired well with farmhouse or cottage decor. Subway tile backsplash. Classic white tiles give a clean and timeless look, perfect for vintage or modern kitchens. Antique plate display. Showcase a collection of vintage plates on a wall rack or in open shelves. Vintage tea towels. Display colorful or patterned tea towels for a puff of style. Exposed beams. If you have high ceilings, adding wooden beams can create a rustic country feel. Messenger storage. Use Use mason jars for storing utensils, speeches, or even as vases for fresh flowers. Farmhouse table, a wooden kitchen table with a warm, vintage look adds charm to the space. Vintage bar stalls, add vintage or industrial style bar stalls around your kitchen island or counter. Galvanized metal accents, incorporate galvanized metal pins or trays for a rustic farmhouse touch. Chalkboard wall, create a chalkboard section for crockery lists, mail plans, or receipts. Copper lighting fixtures, use copper pendant lights or lanterns to bring warmth and vintage appeal. Textured drums, place a open or braided drum near the sink or under the kitchen table for a cozy feel. Industrial pipe shelving, mix industrial pipes with wooden shelves for a unique storage solution. Decorative trays, place a decorative tray on the counter to group items like salt and pepper shakers, olive oil, and a small plant. Vintage clock, hang a vintage or retro style clock as both a decorative and functional element. Oven baskets on shelves, organize pantry items on kitchen essentials in oven baskets placed on open shelving. Pattern backsplash, try a bold pattern tile for your backsplash to add visual interest. Distress cabinets, brand your cabinets with a distress finish for a vintage country look. Colorful cookware display, hang colorful pots and pans to add a fun and functional decoration. Reclaimed wood island, use reclaimed wood for a kitchen island to create a rustic centerpiece. Hanging pot rack, install a hanging pot rack to display cookware and free up cabinet space. Vintage glassware, use vintage glassware to serve drinks or as decorative items on open shelves. Shiplap walls. Add shiplap to one or more walls for a farmhouse inspired look. Rustic cutting boards. Display a collection of wooden cutting boards on the countertop for a functional decoration.